Welcome! Today I'm showing how to check battery health information into a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your Play Store and find Ampere application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so click install and wait a second. Now click cancel, yes, and open. Click yes, I agree, close, and OK. And now need swipe on the right, and here in the second column we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.